Join me today as I prepare the most buttery and garlicky lobster tail you've ever tasted. With just a few simple ingredients and these easy to follow instructions, you'll be treating your taste buds to an experience that will sure leave you craving for more. Let's dive right in. The first step in this process is to crack open the lobster tails. There's a technique to do this though. You want to make sure that you have a sharp scissors and you cut along just like what I'm doing here. And then you'll just take your time and press on the bottom and then turn it over, put your finger under the shell and lift the meat to the top. It should look like this. It looks like a butterfly. And I'll just continue the same process with the others. It's now time to gather and combine all my ingredients. these are very close to being done. I just removed them from the oven after 15 minutes. And what I'm doing now, I'm rebasing them. And I'll be adding them back to the oven for another 2 minutes. So this is just garlic butter with some garnish just to give it that color and that buttery taste. This is it now, guys. This is the finished product. If you like what you see, drop me some comments down below and let me know what you think about this video and also what you would like me to make next. If you haven't already subscribed, please remember to subscribe, like, and share this video, and thank you for watching.